I gotta really hold it.
Alright, tell you what, hold the tail and I hold the head, and then I can just rest my hand down. Good. Put your hand on. I did still like trouble. Your phone in my pocket. Eh? Oh. Under here. Yeah, them are coming in now. Yeah, man.
What?
Under here, sir.
One bumbo.
Just rest your hand underneath, man.
Oh, look, he looking at me. He looking at me, too.
Alright, don't move. Just stay right there. Good. Don't move, Don't just. No, man, you can.
Big ups, blessings, bumbleclad, book. Yeah, man. Yeah, me there. Book.
One, good night. You know, say me I call up and I think though, all the family members then come together and I say, you forgive Gary a kidney.
Marsha, why you no come down and go do it for Gary? Eh? Why you no come down and go do it? Me fi say cousin as much as you fi say cousin. And further on, none of you no call me and talk to me about the situation. You where you say the family member then come together and plan and say me I best one. Who know say me I best one? Let me tell you this, don't text back my lad phone and tell any one of them me say text me or diss them. The whole of them they are foreign and me no more there so. Look how much I want. Why none of you can do surgery and help him? Why me? Why me? I me wanna choose for sacrifice. Why me? Eh? Wanna clad.
No, Brocky. We are some microwave do so hard for. We are like in sitting so hard for. Brocky, cause of you buy Brocky. The pipe run too long. Turn off the pipe. The water bill high. The water bill is high. Turn off the pipe. Turn it off. Hello, the fridge open too long now. The fridge open too long now. Close the fridge, the light bill high. The light bill is high. Close the fridge. Thank you.
Me have a police neighbor named Spang. Spang have a woman over me yard named Misha. Every day I see Misha, I tell Misha she pretty and sexy. But Misha nah look my way side. Misha they move like fair shit can be a pudding. But me nah say nothing. Me believe say every ghetto youth a stand at them one way. This morning Spang drive out. Me dey on my veranda sip my Lasco tea. Me see car pull up a gate. Bus big tubes and man step gone in a Spang house. Misha turn on a lot green and I look for me. She must see the thing say me I go to Spang go tell Spang say she have this big thick black shiny man in I'm also drive one red Suzuki Swift and this rims license plate number 4715 QJ. But I just want to say me not care no feelings in no woman. Me just want to big up Spang cause Spang ever show me some video them bad. Update for Misha and Spang affair. All me have to say is, boy, Spang is a blinking noom knock. Me want to know why the sense requirement to turn police. If you can't take 2 inch and put 2 and 2 together to make 4, you don't have to be police. Misha, they show me middle finger this morning. Me not say nothing. Me not feel hurt. But it's like Spang is a blinking dingbat. Spang forward it yesterday and tell me some video are the baddest video. Him sorry for Spang. Him say all the time and he squad them and listen to the video. Play it. Could come call Spang real name or Misha real name on this. But Misha pick up say she me the talk. But boy, me don't know want to Spang brain. Boy, I give Spang one last chance. Cause I look like him did born slow. In my community, you only have 1 police officer. Why Spang more help you no, but you have to use this, my G. Help me if help you. Use this.
Dismiss. You see, after this a corona thing, the whole of Uno turn Bellevue patient. You see, we now Uno turn dance bat, rap bat, cricket bat, tennis bat. The whole of we got turn some part about teacher. And you need to done this online thing now, teacher. You need to stop it now. Cause we in a band last year, this year now, then I need no do no joke, teacher. I'm in a business if you want to tell the principal. We don't make you turn done spot already. We done already. We get more.
Hey man, what's up? I'm thinking about redoing the floors in my house.
All right, no problem. Were you thinking of tile, carpet?
I was thinking of doing hardwood actually. Do you guys have hardwood?
Brother, what you say? Hardwood? That you say?
Yes. Mark!
Yo!
Hear the man say?
What?
He want stiff cocky to
Wait,
blood
what?
clot.
Yo, when did you hear that?
So you know just say you want hardwood.
Yes.
Alright, so hardwood are what then? Yeah man, bait. Dirty man say.
Dirty boy that man.
Dirty boy for true man. Hey, you have to move your bumper clot in brother. We sell hardware but we not sell no hardwood for you wear. See? No, hear what me I say no blowfish.
This is absurd.
You have to go next door you know brother. Hey, you still there? You're not listening?
Khadija? Yes, I am Jermaine's wife. No. I found your number in his phone and I saw some nude pictures and I saw the level of conversations that you guys are having. No, I am not calling you to argue. I'm just wondering what am I doing wrong because he's coming home late or sometimes he doesn't even come home at all. Okay, so you guys have been together? 2 kids? And I can't even have kids. A house? Jermaine? What? No, it's fine. He said he don't even like that. No.
These are things Caribbean people do. Caribbean people, check if this right. Walk in a room, forget where you're coming there for, walk out and remember. Second up, type the lyrics on YouTube because they don't know the song. Stands Crocodile Tea by Skillbang. You that type. Yes, eh? Third up, they did literally actually think the shape of a heart was. Fourth up, if you never pretend to be sick just for not go school. Last but not least, as a kid, you would have tried close the fridge slowly so can see when the light turn off cause to this day I don't know when.
Yeah. Yeah. Where else you call me for if you don't want no bitch?
I want the healthy, like a soldier.
No.
And how the bumbo clot you they say talk to little boy eh?
Yo, hello, good morning. Me wonder if you're busy. You're not busy? Oh, alright, good. Alright, well, me have my JN card, me have my surgical card, and me have my Scotia Bank card, and me have around $20,000 right there, so. You see me? But me wake up in a one good mood this morning, so me decide to call you. So, when me really I call about still, because it a bug me for one day, and me get up and me feel like I want to give you some money. You see me? Give you some money. You see me? Because me in a one happy mood. You don't know people need that money. We really want to know. Me I wonder, me no know if I can do it now, but the calculation today, I make me know by the morning. How much it costs for mind your own business? Because you're all up in my business, so I want to know how much it costs. Yeah, for mind your own business. I'm willing to pay. So just make me know. Me give you all of my card and all of the money for mind your own business. Yeah? Me need you to link me by tomorrow.
Me the worse than you. Me used to do the same thing like you, but me never deal with the church because I'm afraid of God. So you need to go repent. Me say that me do a fast and prayer. I say God, you have to change me. Because you know me no want the man. Sometimes I smell bad. And me still go live it up just to the money. And when me done, me go beard. Me beard like, sometimes I want acid for beard with. We take off the smell. Say, Jesus God. And then a rich man to a drive big car, you know. And then a fool man, he may talk about it, and I'm going to live it up with, you know. A rich man, but they have their wife, so they can't carry me a yard. They can't me tell me. And when they're talking about mom, I say, Jesus, save your divine. Toothbrush and toothpaste, don't see them out there. And he can't kiss me. I say, oh, me no kiss her. Boss, me no kiss her now. I'm just tell them, me say, me use a condom, you know. Why me cleaning and me have no ears, you know, me can't got that. Me say, listen, man. Me no want to go do it, go talk like the lady.
So look a white ball girl, my friend. I pass here, we are going to cheat up like them a mega ball. I'm going to check up on them look a white ball, we are 260. I want a mega ball, I want 5 people, that's how we are jump. Hey girl, cut that fuck on one.